Welcome back to DIY Alicia, and this is Alicia, your DIY expert. It's been so long since I've touched base with you with some very easy peasy DIY. So then this week it called out for an easy DIY. So here I am with a beautiful DIY, and that too, it's Christmas around. So yeah, let's do some Christmas decor. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. This is Alicia. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified every week with a new video update. Also guys, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and also share the video with your friends and family. You know what? It's mainly just out of recycle bin. So the other day I just went and I was just doing some cleaning in the garage, and I found a lot of wine bottles. So yeah, and then I just didn't want to let them go in the recycle. I was like, let me do something with this. And I was roaming around in Dollarama the other day. Everywhere it's super Christmassy. And then I picked up some random very cute stuff which is almost less than $3. And then I ended up creating this beautiful corner decor. You could use it as a centerpiece for the table. I'm using it as a corner decor in between my sectional sofa, and also you could just use it anywhere on the kitchen island, on the dining table. It will look really amazing. I'm super duper excited for you, all of you guys, to do try this out and let me know if you guys liked it. So let's get started.